This is the future of augmented reality. The display is absolutely stunning, seamlessly blending the digital with the physical world.
And just like that, I can pull up the analytics right here. It's incredible how seamlessly this blends the digital world with the beauty of the park.
Welcome to the restaurant. Right this way, please. We have the digital menu ready for you.
And if we just click Start here, you'll see the full data visualization. It seems we have a slight holdup. One moment, please.
Well, the map says we've arrived. I'm not sure how we're supposed to get through this wall, though.
We're here talking to locals about the new development. We didn't agree to be filmed, though.
Yeah, I don't appreciate that camera being in my face.
And the smart glasses connectivity is proving to be less than seamless. I cannot get this cable plugged in while wearing them.
Still failing to connect. I'm just going to tap the side here and see if that helps.
They say the best way to experience the city is from above. With a view like this and a drink like that, I tend to agree.
By isolating the data points here, the AR overlay confirms the correlation. Notice the shift in the wireframe model.
Welcome to the future of voice control. As you can see, the transcription is instant and highly accurate. It even supports multiple languages seamlessly.
The detail here is incredible. And with the help of these new digital guides, we can immediately access the history behind the brushstrokes.
They said one size fits all. Look at this. It's not even close.
Check this out. The glasses highlight the healthiest choices right on the shelf and show you the best price comparisons instantly. I'm I'm trying to activate them, but as you can see, the scarf is right over the sensor. Even if I move it slightly, it just slips back and blocks the view. They just aren't working.
The render looked incredibly sleek. Unfortunately, the real product is much bulkier than advertised, especially when you hold it side by side.
The contrast and vibrant colors on this massive screen are stunning. It feels like I'm right inside the movie.
And with a simple tap here on the temple, I can adjust the audio levels seamlessly. It's quite intuitive.
Hey, can you hear me okay? I think the connection is breaking up.
Yeah, I can hear you, but you're currently wearing the coffee table as a hat.
Isn't the rendering on this just incredible? Sparky here is learning new tricks every day. He absolutely loves the park. What a good boy.
All right, everyone, the timer is set for 5 minutes. While that comes to a rolling boil, we'll just whisk in our secret blend of spices.
The glasses enhance the low light significantly. There's a sparking cable ahead, but the system has already highlighted a safe path around it.
All right, focusing on the blue butterfly now. Swipe. Got it. And look, a rare orange one over here. We caught it.
If you look at the Q3 projections, the growth metrics clearly indicate a bullish trend, provided that the...
And a quick recovery here in the midfield. They are pushing hard for an equalizer before the half. The defense looks absolutely stunned by that pass.
It is wonderful to finally share my story with the world.
Well, we are honored to have you here today.
Thank you for coming.
Keep that form perfect, lower down slowly. Great job on that set.
Okay, the AR glasses are highlighting the pasta right over there. See the green check mark? That means we got the right one. Now let's find the cereal.
I'll just tap here to activate the interface. Okay, maybe the gesture. Well, this isn't working at all.
I can't believe this is in my driveway. The new Apex looks absolutely stunning, even as a hologram. Let's take a closer look.
So the biggest hurdle for mass adoption of AR isn't the glasses themselves, it's the sheer volume of cables and adapters needed just to keep them powered.
The score remains tight here in the third quarter, especially with the Warriors starting to heat up.
wraps up this segment, but we have much more coming up right after the break. So please stay tuned.
We appreciate you joining us. Good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.